Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next chapter is arithmetic progression. Let us study some important points related to it. Now the first point is sequence. What is sequence? A set of sequence where the numbers are arranged in a definite order is called a sequence. Now here some examples. First one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Look at the example carefully. 2 plus 2 we get 4, 4 plus 2 we get 6, and 6 plus 2 8, and so on. Now in the second one it is in definite order 5, 10, 15, 20. It is multiple of 5s. Now look at next 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. Look at this carefully. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Now 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Now the next one 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Observe it carefully. 1, it is square of the natural numbers. 1 square of 1 is 1. Square of 2, 4. Square of 3, 9. Square of 4, 16, and so on. Therefore, all these examples are arranged in a definite order. Therefore, it is called a sequence. Now, the next topic is arithmetic progressions. In the given sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms tn plus 1 minus tn is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progressions, means AP. Next one is in an AP, the first term is denoted by A. In an AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant and it is denoted by small d. Therefore, we can write d is equal to t of n plus 1 minus t of n, or d is equal to tn minus tn minus 1. Or we can define the arithmetic progression. In the sequence, we get the next term by adding a fixed number to the previous term. This type of sequence is called an AP, arithmetic progression. That is, AP first term is T1, T2 is defined by T1 plus D, next term T3 is defined by T2 plus D, and so on. And in an AP, if first term is A and common difference is D, then we can write here first term A, second term A plus D, third term A plus twice D, and the next term A plus 3D. Therefore, T1 can be written as A, T2 T plus D, or it can be written as A plus D. Now T3 is obtained by T2 plus D, or T3 A plus 2D. T4 T3 plus D, or T4 is equal to A plus 3D. Now in the sequence, we get the next term by adding a fixed number to the previous term is called an AP. Now look at the examples here. Examples of sequence. First one, it is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now next term is obtained by adding 2. Next term is obtained by adding 2. 8 is obtained by adding 2 in 6, and so on. Therefore, it is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. Now look at the second one. 5, 10, 15, 20. First term is 5. 10 is obtained by 5 in the previous one, means 5 plus 5, 10. Now 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, we get 20, and so on. Therefore, second example of the sequence is an AP. Now look at the third one. Now here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, we get 4. Now here adding 1 and here adding 2. Both are not same. It is not constant. Now look at here. If you multiply the same number, means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 8 into 2, 16. So it is called GP, means geometric progression. It is not in the syllabus. It is not an AP, but it is in the form of GP, geometric progression. Now the next sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It is square of the natural numbers. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Now the numbers are not same here, therefore it is not an AP. It is not a GP also. Now look at practice set 3.1. First question is, which of the following sequences is an AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First one is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now it is the sequence. First term is, write down the solution here. First term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, and fourth term is 8. Therefore T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2, we get here 2. Now the next one, T3 minus T2, T3 is 6 minus 4, now we get here again 2. T4 minus T3, which is equal to 8 minus 6, again we get here 2. Now here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 2. Now write down here the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. And common difference, the value of common difference is 2. Now next one is 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2. Here first term T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 upon 2, T3 is equal to 3, and T4 is equal to 7 upon 2. Now T2 minus T1, 5 upon 2 minus 2, take the LCM 2. Now cross multiply, we get here 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Next one, T3 minus T2, T3 3 minus, now the value of T2 is 5 upon 2. Take the LCM here, 2, cross multiply, 6 minus 5, we get here 1 upon 2. Next one, T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3 means 7 upon 2 minus 3. Now take the LCM here, 2, cross multiply, 7 minus 6, now we get here 2. Now here all the differences are same, therefore D is equal to 1 upon 2. Now write down the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. And common difference, the value of common difference D is equal to 1/2. Now, next question is, sequence given here is -10, -6, -2 and 2. Now write down the solution. Here T1 is equal to -10, T2 is equal to -6, T3 is equal to -2, T4 is equal to 2. Now find out the difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to -6 minus of T1. Now the T1 is -10. Open the bracket, we get -6. Minus into minus plus 10. Now the answer is 4. And next one, T3 minus T2 is equal to -2 minus of -6 is equal to -2. Now -1 into minus, we get +6. Here 4. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus T3 means -2. Now open the bracket, minus into minus, negative into negative, plus. Now we get here 4. Now all the differences are same here, therefore it is common difference, therefore we can write D is equal to 4. Now write down the answer. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. And common difference, the value of D is equal to 4. Now the next question is fourth, sequence given 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. Write down the solution here. First term is 0.3, second term is 0.33, and third term T3 is equal to 0.333. Now find the difference. T2 minus T1, which is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3. Now solve it, we get 0.03. Now the next one, T3 minus T2, 0.333 minus T2 is 0.33. Now subtract it, we get 0.003. Look at the difference carefully, they are not same. Therefore, the difference between, write down here, any two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Now, look at the next one. Solution. First term T1 is equal to 0. Second term T2 is equal to -4. T3 is equal to -8. And T4 is equal to -12. Find out T2 minus T1. T2 means -4 minus of 0. We get here -4. T3 minus T2. T3 minus 8 minus of T2. Now the value of T2 is -4. Solve. -8 plus 4, which is equal to -4. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 is -12 minus T3. The value of T3 is -8. Therefore, we get -12 minus into minus plus 8 is equal to -4. Now here difference are -4, -4 and -4. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to -4. Write down the answer here. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, and the value of common difference D is equal to -4. Next sequence is -1/5, -1/5 and -1/5. Write down the solution here. T1 is equal to -1/5, T2 is equal to -1/5 and T3 is equal to -1/5. All the terms are same. Now find out the difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to -1/5 minus of -1/5. Solve it, we get -1/5. Now negative into negative, positive, plus 1/5. We get here 0. Now the next one, T3 minus T2 minus 1/5 minus, now value of T2 is -1/5. Open the bracket, we get here -1/5. Negative into negative, positive, 1/5. Now here also 0. Now the difference are same here. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 0. Write down here. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, and the value of common difference D is equal to 0. Now next sequence is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, Now here solution. T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus square root of 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2, and T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2. Find out difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 3 plus square root of 2 minus 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 cancel, we get here square root of 2. Next one, T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus T2 is 3 plus square root of 2. Now open the bracket, 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Now before the bracket there is minus sign, therefore multiply each and every terms by minus 1. We get minus 3 minus root 2. Now look at this one, plus 3 minus 3 both are cancelled, 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. We get here root 2. Now next, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, and T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Open the bracket here, first write as it is, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now the second, before the second bracket there is minus 1. Multiply each and every terms by minus 1. Therefore we get minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Now here plus 3 minus 3 both are cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. We get here 1 root 2. It can be written as root 2. Now look at the differences here. Square root 2, square root 2, square root of 2. Therefore, the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP, and the value of common difference means D is equal to square root of 2. Now the next sequence is 127, 132 and 137. Write down the solution. Here T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 132, T3 is equal to 137. Find out the difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to 132 minus 127, which is equal to 5. Next, T3 minus T2 is equal to 137 minus 132. It is also equal to 5. Now the difference is same here. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to 5. Write down the answer. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. and the common difference means the value of d is equal to 5. Now the next question is, write an AP whose first term is a and common difference is d in each of the following. Now the first one is a is equal to 10 and the common difference d is equal to 5. Therefore we can write here a, it is also known as T1. First term T1 is equal to a is equal to 10. T2 is equal to T1 plus d. Now substituting the values here, we get 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15. Next T3 is equal to T2 plus d. The value of T2 is 15. Therefore 15 plus d 5 is equal to 20. And T4 is equal to T3 plus d. Now the value of T3 is 20. 20 plus d. d means 5. Now we get here 25. Now the first term is 10. T2 is 15. T3 is 20 and T4 is 25 and so on. Therefore write down here 10, 15, 20, 25, comma, dash, dash is the required AP, arithmetic progression, or it can be solved by other method. Now look at this. We get T1 is equal to a is equal to 10. The value of T1 is 10. Now T2, it can be written as T1 plus d, or you can say that a plus d. Now substituting the values here, 10 plus 5 we get 15. T3 is equal to a plus 2d. The value of a is 10 plus 2d means 2 into 5. Solid. 10 plus 5 2s are 10 which is equal to 20. And the value of T4 is equal to a plus 3d is equal to, the value of a is 10 plus 3d means 3 into 5. Now solid. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Now look at this. The value of T1 is 10, T2 is 15, T3 is 20 and T5 is 25. It is same as the previous one, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Therefore write down the answer here. Therefore 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on is the required AP. Now the next question is second. A is equal to minus 3 and d is equal to 0. Therefore write down the solution here. A means it is T1. Therefore we can write here T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 3. Now T2, it can be written as T1 plus d. Now value of T1 is minus 3 plus 0 which is equal to minus 3. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus d, or it can be written as A plus 2d. Therefore T2 plus d means T2 minus 3 plus 0. We get here minus 3. T4 is equal to T3 plus d. Now the value of T3 is minus 3 plus 0 which is equal to minus 3. Now the first term minus 3, second one is also minus 3, T3 minus 3 and T4 is the minus 3. Write down the answer. Therefore minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3 comma dash dash is the required AP. Now, next one is the value of a is equal to minus 7 and t is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, first term t1 is equal to minus 7. Now, the value of d is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, it can be written as 0.5. t1 is equal to a is equal to minus 7. t2 is equal to t1 plus d, which is equal to minus 7 plus 0.5. Minus 7 plus 0.5, we get here minus 6.5. Now the next, t3 is equal to t2 plus d. Now the value of t2 is minus 6.5 plus 0.5. We get here minus 6. t4 is equal to t3 plus d. Now the t3 is minus 6 plus d 0.5. We get here minus 5.5. Now the first term t1 is minus 7, t2 is minus 6.5, t3 minus 6, and the next t4 is minus 5.5. Therefore, first term minus 7 minus 6.5 minus 6 minus 5.5 comma dash dash is the required AP. Now, next one, the value of A is equal to minus 1.25 and value of D is equal to 3. Therefore, write on the solution here. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1 upon 25. Now write down the value of T2 is equal to T1 plus D minus 1.25 plus 3. Now solve it. Minus 1.25 and plus 3, which is equal to 1.75. Now the next, T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Now the value of T2 is 1.75 plus 3. Solve it. We get 4.75. Next, T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 4.75 plus 3, which is equal to 7.75. Now T1 is minus 1.25. It is the value of T2, T3 and T4. Therefore, minus 1.25 comma 1.75 comma 4.75 comma 7.75 dash dash is the required AP. Now the next, T1 is equal to A is equal to 6. Therefore, T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to 6 plus minus of 3, which is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Next, T3 is equal to T2 plus D. 3 plus minus 3. Now 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is 0 plus the value of T is minus 3. Therefore, we get here minus 3. The first is 6. T2 3. T3 0. T4 minus 3. Therefore, write down 6 3 0 minus 3 comma dash dash is the required AP. Now Next one is 6th question. The value of A is equal to minus 19 and the value of D is equal to minus 4. Write down the solution. Here T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 19. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 19 plus minus 4. Solve it, we get minus 19 minus 4. Both are negative, therefore simply we add it with negative sign. We get here minus 23. Now the next, T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 plus minus 4. Minus 23 minus 4, we get minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is minus 27 plus minus 4. Solid minus 27 minus 4, we get minus 31. Therefore, write down the answer here. T1 minus 19, T2 minus 23, T3 minus 27, T4 minus 31 is the required AP. Now the next question is, find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. First one is 5, 1, minus 3 and next term is minus 7. It is given that it is an AP. Now the solution. Our aim is to find first term and the common difference. Here T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. T1 is the first term, therefore first term is 5, and common difference we can write here T2 minus T1. Substituting the values here, 1 minus 5, we get here minus 4. Now T2 minus T1, next one T3 minus T2, we get again minus 4, and T4 minus T3, we get minus 4. Therefore we can write here D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is minus 3 minus of T2 1. Therefore minus 3 minus 1, we get here minus 4. Write down the answer. The first term A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus 4. Now the next one is second question. It is an AP. Write down the solution. T1 is equal to 0.6. T2 is equal to 0.9. T3 is equal to 1.2 and T4 is equal to 1.5. Now here first term is T1, which is equal to 0.6, and the value of D is equal to T2 minus T1. सेकेंड में से फर्स्ट माइनस करना है, which is equal to 0.9 minus 0.6, we get 0.3. Now 1.2 minus 0.9, we get 0.3. Then 1.5 minus 1.2, we get 0.3. Therefore we can be written as D is equal to it can be written as D is equal to T3 minus T2, which is also equal to T4 minus T3, and the value of D is equal to 0.3. Therefore, write down the answer here. Therefore, the first term A is equal to 0.6 and the common difference means D is equal to 0.3. Now, next one is 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on. Write down the solution here. First term T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 135, T3 is equal to 143 and T4 is equal to 151. Now the first term, the value of T1 127. Find out the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. Now the value of T2 is 135 minus T1 is 127, which is equal to 8. Now T3 minus T2, again 8. We get T4 minus T3, 8. Therefore, right here D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 8. Therefore, the first term A is equal to 127 and the value of D is equal to 8. Next one is 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Another solution here. T1 is equal to 1 upon 4. T2 is equal to 3 upon 4. T3 is equal to 5 upon 4. And the value of T4 is equal to 7 upon 4. Now here the first term is 1 upon 4. Now find out the common difference. The value of D is equal to T2 minus T1. Now the value of T2 is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Now take the LCM. 4, 3 minus 1. We get 2 upon 4. Cancel it. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore value 1 upon 2. Now at the same manner we get T3 minus T2 and T4 minus T3. The value is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the first term A is equal to 1 upon 4 and the value of D is equal to 1 upon 2. Allah Hafiz.